Our Kedarnath journey began with the blessings of Dari Devi Temple. After taking darshan at Dari Devi Temple, we continued our journey towards Kedarnath with excitement in our hearts and Lord Shiva's name on our lips. Then came the most challenging yet beautiful part of our journey, the trek to Kedarnath. As we started trekking, the weather began to change. The temperature dropped, the mountains were covered with snow, and suddenly, snowfall started. Walking through the snow, surrounded by the majestic Himalayas, was an experience we will never forget. Every step was challenging, but our faith and determination to reach Kedarnath kept us moving forward. After a long and tiring journey, we finally reached Kedarnath. The moment we reached there was truly magical. It was evening, everything around us was covered in snow, and the evening puja was taking place at Kedarnath Temple.